We are solving the question further, but here we can see in this exercise question number 1 we solved right now. Remember, question number 2 is likewise, because one side just radical sign is there and other side there is no. Similarly, question number 3 is also just one side radical sign is there and other side there is no radical sign. Question number 4 is also likewise. So you can solve these questions easily likewise. If gets problem, you can comments them, we will be solving them again. But right now question number 5 we can see left hand side the square root sign is there and also right hand side. So question number 5 I am going to solve right now. Question number 5 is written on the page. So after writing the solution, same step will be written: x plus 3 plus x square root is equal to x plus 8. Now, as we know, to remove the radical sign or square root sign, we have to square both sides. Squaring the equation both sides. We are going to take square left hand side, x plus 3 into x square root over all square, and also right hand side. But here we can see this is our a and this is our b. So as we already know, a plus b comes what? That if we have a square like a plus b square, then we can write it a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, here also we are going to open this one. Same, we consider this x plus 3 square root is our a, so we can write x plus 3 square root over r square. It means a square, x square root square, it means b square, plus 2a. What is our a right now? X plus 3. So we can write x plus 3 here is our a, and b, what is our b? This x square root is equal to, then here right hand side simply square root will get cancelled with this square root sign. Square will get cancelled with square root, square will get cancelled with square root. Left what? Only x plus 8. And similarly here this square will be cancelled with the square root sign, this square will be cancelled with the square root sign. We are having further x plus 3 x, here both radical signs exist. So while two radical signs are being multiplied or two square root, we can write within one square root or within one radical sign. X plus 3 into x, they are being multiplied, x plus 8. Further it goes, this x and this x plus x, it comes to x, just 3. Remember, this 2 we cannot add with 3 because this is being multiplied with square root. 2 into, inside this radical sign will multiply x multiplied by x, x square comes, 3 multiplied by x, 3x is equal to further x plus 8. It goes likewise. After that we are going to shift this 2x and plus 3 right hand side, keeping only radical sign left hand side. So 2 radical sign started, x square plus 3x is equal to x plus 8 already present this side or exist. We are going to shift 2x from left side to right side. Here it is plus, it will get minus. This plus 3, it will be also minus. Further we move like same radical sign comes here, x square plus 3x, but x plus minus 2x answer. X is plus and this is minus, so it will be minus x. We know such kind of symbol adding. And plus 8 minus 3, it means plus 5. This is minus x plus 5. We are going to arrange a bit this one. Again we write the same, x square plus 3x. Arranging will be like 5 we will write first and minus x later, because we want should be a minus b. Like this we may feel difficult to open the square, because without taking a square, radical sign cannot get finished. So again we write taking square on both side, taking square on both side. Of equation, we are taking square left hand side, x square plus 3x, this x square, and also 5 minus x square. Here remember this 2 is outside from the radical sign. It means we have to take two squares separately. If we take the square, not square root, rather square, if we take the square of 2, we know 4 comes. But remember, if we take the square of radical or square root sign, then this square and square root sign will get finished only inside this radicand, that is x square plus 3x. This will left. Now this is a minus b, but we know how to open a minus b. A minus b opening we know. Let's say a minus b, how to open. It will be like this: a square plus b square minus 2ab. The same way we are going to open this square. So it comes a square plus b square minus 2ab. Further, this 4 will be multiplied to the bracket. It comes 4x square. 4 multiplied by 3, it comes 12x, and this side 25, because 5 square means 5 multiplied by 5, and this is x square. 2 multiplied by 5, it comes 10x. We can shift this right hand side into left hand side to make a quadratic equation. X square, this is 4x square, this is plus 12x. Shifting 25, it will be minus 25, because right hand side it is plus 25. Shifting x square, it will be minus x square in this side, and minus 10 is already in this side, it is minus 10. So we shift, and left hand side it will be, or it gets plus 10x equal what left here. If nothing left, it means 0 is there. Further we are going to head, then is our question moving further. This is 4x square, all right, 4x square, but this is 4x square, and remember this is minus 1x square. They can be added because base are same, variable are same, and power same. If we take out 1x square from 4x square, left 3x square. Look at the term of x. This is plus 12x and this is plus 10x. Both are like sign, plus 12 and plus 10. It will be plus 22. Minus 25, only this number is there, other numbers are not likewise, so minus 25 only will be written here, is equal to 0. We're going to try to factorize this one. If we see, factorization is very easier, because 3 is there, it is the coefficient of x square, and constant is what, minus 25. 3 multiplied by minus 25, it comes minus 75. We have to write the factor of 75, where by multiplying minus 75 comes and by adding plus 22 comes. We can see 3 and 25 by adding why their difference to be 22. We know 3 and 25 difference between 3 and 25 what comes 22. So 3 multiplied by 25, here one number to be minus, we see here 22 is what in plus form, it is plus. So therefore minus will come with, if we put 25 minus sign, then by adding them, and it will be minus 22. So minus will be with 3. Now multiplying minus 3 multiplied by 25, minus 75 come, and if we see the difference and add them, so 22 will be there. That's why I am saying like this here, minus 3 plus 25, that is equal to what, plus 22. That is what we needed. Then 3x square is same, but we are splitting this 20x into two terms. So then we can write here minus 3x further plus 25x minus 25 equals 0. Taking common, 3 is common, both term having 3, and x is also common, so 3x will be common. Now 3 can catch 3 one time, not needed to be written, but x can catch x square x time, minus 3x can catch 3x one time. Here this is 25 and this is also 25, then 25 is our common, 25 x minus 25 can catch this 25 one time. See, both brackets factors or terms are same, x minus 1, and this is also x minus 1. If they are same, it means we are exactly correct. X minus 1 is common further, then here left what, 3x, this is here 3x left, and here this is plus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0, or we can write 3x plus 25 is equal to 0. Shifting minus 1 right hand side, as it is minus, this side it will be plus, and similarly 3x minus 25, if shifting plus 25 that side, it gets minus 25, it will be minus 25. 3 is here it is multiplied, or it is being multiplied. As we have reached here, factorizing after this one, x minus 1, see, x minus 1 is common, taking x minus 1 is a common, then here 3x left, and this side this is plus 25. Further, x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 25 is equal to 0. Between these two, 1 to be 0. Shifting this minus 1 right hand side, it will be plus 1, and this is plus 25. After shifting plus 25 right hand side, minus 25. 3 is being multiplied, then shifting 3 this side, it will be minus 25 over 3. 3 will be divided here. Right now we got 2 value of the x. This is not the final answer, because we have the question that is in radical form. Directly we cannot say this is our answer. Now for this one we have to go for check or verification. Now we have to verify this one. Verifying, we can write also check, or checking it whether which question is fit. For this one, main equation is this: x plus 3 square root plus x square root is equal to x plus 8 square root. Here we can see two values are there, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 25 or 3. 1 to be the answer. Mostly here one answer come as a true or or verify it. Put or putting x is equal to plus 1. Now we are going to put x is equal to plus 1 to check it whether this comes correct. Here we see x plus 3, in place of x we are writing 1 plus 3 plus this is only one x, so in place of x we put 1. This is x plus 8, so in place of x we write 1 plus 8. Now 1 plus 3, 4 square root, and plus 1 square root is equal to 1 plus 8 comes 9 square root. 4 square root we know that is 2, 1 square root also that is 1, 9 square root also we know that is what, 3. We are only taking positive square root here to verify this one. 2 plus 1 comes 3, right inside also 3, so it is verified. It means it is clear that while x is equal to 1 it comes true, both side comes equal, hence the solution set is 1. Question is over from here. Our solution set is what? Hence our solution set is what? Our solution set is 1, because after putting the value of x 1 it comes true. So this is the answer.